Do y'all have a craving for Mexican food but don't want to commit to the calories? All good. This herb sauce has got your taste buds and you will get there without the guilt. Hey folks, this is Joyce Manalo, certified health coach. Thanks so much for joining me. I make videos for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits, and cooking at home is a step in the right direction. This is episode 9 of the Herb Basics series, where we'll make our 4th herb sauce, which is cilantro, yogurt, and lime sauce. By the end of this video, you'll be able to blend this up in no time and get that creamy flavor and texture and stay on the healthy side. Vamos! Let's go! What you're gonna need for this easy recipe is a food processor, a spatula, a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, a quarter cup of fresh lime juice or juice from 1 lime, 1 heaping cup of Greek yogurt, 0%, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of jalapeño, 2 garlic cloves, a quarter teaspoon of sea salt, and a bunch of cilantro leaves. Now, I know bunches come in different sizes, so once you have washed and cut the lower stem of the cilantro bunch, measure it and it should be about 2.5 cups, okay? And if you're curious about cleaning herbs like this, check out my video, how to wash and store soft herbs. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And feel free to connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Kala Health and Wellness. Thanks for letting me plug. Let's build this sauce. So let's start with the olive oil, lime juice. Let's take our yogurt and use our spatula to get it out of the container here, this measuring cup. Okay. Now let's add our aromatic, garlic, and seasoning, salt, and jalapeno. Okay. And we're going to blend this up first before we put in the cilantro leaves. Okay, so that is our sauce, and we're just going to add the cilantro with the stems on it. Don't worry about that we didn't take the leaves off the stems. This is an easy recipe. Okay, we don't have to make a big fuss about it. All right, let's blend that up. Okay, let's take a look at this sauce. Oh my gosh, look how creamy this looks. Nice and green in color. I can't wait to try it. I have a piece of cucumber right here with some of the sauce. So creamy. There's a perfect balance of cilantro, lime, garlic, not overpowering, and a little bit of a kick. Definitely give this a try. And that is our cilantro yogurt sauce. Now, if you want to make this into a marinade or a dressing, you can do that by adding a little bit of water until your desired consistency. Let me know what you end up trying in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. Also, if you're curious about the Herb Basics series video, check out the playlist. Remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy. Catch y'all at the next episode.